So today I'm joined with my cousin. Hey. Do you want to introduce yourself? Just say your name.
Donika and Edolita.
Okay, basically they're from Holland and they brought me like loads of Dutch food. So we're just gonna be trying that. And in another video, I'm gonna give them like English food to try, but for now, I'll be trying Dutch food, alright? Let's go. I think this is gonna be nice though. Okay, so I've got this. I mean, you can't go wrong. I have my little minions down there as well.
I have one of these.
There's one chocolate one. I took the vanilla
not get
one.
these when they give it to you?
Oh, by the way, they come like individually wrapped.
Shut.
And they come like this. Do you know they kind of look like Bueno? Yeah.
Really?
Oh, she's got it. They kind of look like Bueno, so.
I don't know.
Boy, that is nice. Out of 10, I would give that
a 5.
I was gonna say 8.
What?
I like that because I like textures. I'll give that an 8. I had the vanilla one, that's why. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I don't know if I like licorice. Alright, next thing. Is there licorice in it?
It says licorice on it, you idiot. Are you blind?
Oh, there's nothing to smell.
That's
Nice thing.
I'm sorry.
I don't get it. Is it nice?
You slapped my
You don't
drink.
like it?
I don't like it.
I'm scared now.
Probably.
They're different.
Yes.
Right, so there's a mixture of different kinds of licorice. I don't know if I like licorice because I've never had it. Okay, this one's like soft, yeah. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like. I don't like the smell of it.
I'm not gonna like it 100%.
I'm not a fan of that one. I'm gonna give that one a 0.5. I'm gonna go for this.
Oh, these look good though.
Spicy coated peanuts.
I'm like half in this one. Peanuts.
Right, so this is what they look like. Is that gonna focus?
They can see they know what a peanut looks like.
Oh yeah, this looks like a normal peanut.
Yeah, it does. It's coated or something.
Oh, yum.
Oh, I like it.
Oh god, put too many. Here you are.
That is something that I was like, that's nice. Do you want some? You don't like them? Do you want some?
I don't like peanuts.
I don't like peanuts either.
Oh, that's yummy.
But I don't mind them, they're not bad. I like the stuff on the outside.
I think it's a bit spicy.
It's not spicy really, at all. I mean, I like spicy stuff.
Rate it.
Oh, 4 out of 10. Like, I don't mind it.
Word.
I said word. I have no clue what I did. Oh, I don't know what to expect for this one, but of this.
That's licorice as well.
How do you say it?
It's actually
Drop.
yeah, drop. Oh, is it licorice? No, yes, no.
Is it licorice? Like, does it taste like licorice?
No, just smell it. It smells like licorice.
It doesn't.
Do you have
really.
them? Yeah.
Did you get them?
Nah.
But they're
It's
hard.
so disgusting.
Really? Why you not get me shit? I got you all nice stuff.
It's Dutch.
Alright, they're like hard.
Do the different?
Are they soft on the inside?
Do the colours look?
No. I don't think so.
They're banging. Trust me.
There's freaking licorice inside. They played off. Open the pot. No. Why you gotta do us dirty like that?
Alright, that one's not as bad as the actual licorice.
But it's sweet or not?
Yeah. I'll give that one a 2.
Biscuit. Put it back. So yes.
Okay.
I want to open it for them.
Good, yeah?
Yeah,
Alright,
You
so
have to open it
how'd
on
you
the
say it?
camera, you idiot. Gefilde.
Huh?
Gefilde.
Gefilde cooking.
Yes.
And Dutch.
Filled biscuit.
Yes, look.
Okay. Oh, there's something inside?
Yes.
There's something inside. What's that?
It smells like apple. Is it apple?
No.
What's inside it?
Oh no.
What is it? Is it
Oh,
vanilla?
these are bomb
I
pan.
don't know. It's plain.
Is it?
You're gonna eat half, didn't you?
Oh, I know what it is. It's marzipan.
No.
Yeah, it is.
No.
It's almond.
But no.
Same thing.
Almond is marzipan. I mean, marzipan is almond.
Oh, if I try to get up, I'm gonna fall over your camera.
Oh, did I even show it? I think I did.
No,
Oh, I don't
no.
know.
But it says
It's like a
from the
page
chair, which means
thing
Are
inside.
you weird? What kind of scones do you eat?
To me, it looks like a scone.
Maybe the outline.
It is nice. Not
What's it
like
taste like?
Oh well,
What's it taste
don't
like?
drop it.
tastes nice.
Let me have some.
Wait.
This one?
Yeah.
And there's 2 marzipan. No.
Mix it with everything now.
I don't mind it. I like it. I'll give it like a 5.
Mom is gonna love them.
I was a 5. I like this. I didn't mind them.
You did
These
like them?
next. Candy tubes.
They have so much flavour to them.
These are cherry flavoured. I love cherry flavoured anything. Is there stuff? Oh, I like this kind of stuff. Like stuff in the inside. Oh, no.
My hand just always come into this shot, you know.
I don't know.
Sorry. Oh, let me grab that.
Is it sour? Because I don't really like sour
No,
things.
not really.
Well, here's what it looks like. It's going to focus on my face, isn't it? I can't be able to put my hand out. Yeah. Got it.
I like it a lot.
Oh, it matches my nails.
No, but it's so nice.
It matches my nails.
It does.
I bet you the nails are eating her whole bag right now.
Yeah.
I am.
Wait, that's nice. I'll give that an 8 out of 10 as well. Actually, 9.
I really like
Cool.
that.
Next. I don't know how to say that either. Valentino.
Chocolate juice.
Sour chews, isn't it? Are they sour? Alright, so this is they're like individually wrapped. I think they're like kind of malwam kind of things, isn't it?
Sort of. They're like
Like,
more like cookie.
no, they're like fruitella or whatever it's called.
Yeah,
Fruitella.
Starburst and shit like that.
Starburst, yeah.
Should I hang up?
Yeah. No, just bye.
She opened it, shouted bye.
A bit sour.
What? Oh.
For me,
Oh god, I have purple.
Sorry.
I find everything sour.
I'm gonna like knock your camera down.
Nice, but I don't like stuff like that, like chewy sweets.
Why is
So
that?
I'll give it like a 4 out of 10 maybe. Flavor's nice, but I don't like stuff like malwam, starburst and stuff like that. I would. I don't know if I actually think this is like waffle, isn't it?
Oh, I love them
This
so
is next.
much.
I think I've had these like they're like the caramel things, caramel inside, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have it. It's like this.
Do you like them?
I love you so much.
Mmm.
This is what I've come
Oh yeah. These are the best ones I've tasted yet though.
I got you a present.
I feel sick at this point
Sorry.
because we've had so much stuff. Rate that
I rate that
at 8.
10. That's great.
I loved it.
I rate that 8 because it's not as sweet, but it's not as sweet as I want it to be. But it's nice. So next I've got these. I'm guessing they're just chocolate egg. Oh no, they have stuff in the middle. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna have a caramel one because I don't like anything. Why are you lying? Linda wouldn't do that shit.
What's that?
It's like I've got a caramel one because it's got C on it.
Don't drink all of it, please.
Well, haha. Cheers.
No, talking about this one having crispy bits inside.
I thought it was gonna be a proper caramel in the middle.
What is it? Oh no, it's caramel flavoured.
It's nice though. It's got like it's like caramel flavored praline.
I feel like I just dribbled.
Praline? Yeah.
I'm actually so fat.
I feel sick now.
It's the last one.
Last one. Okay.
I need to Oh my god, I'm gonna knock the camera down.
This is the last. Oh wait, I didn't rate that, did I?
No.
I'll give that egg as no. I'll give it like 8 or 9.
I
because that
like
was
it.
so
It's
good.
so heavy.
I like to accept crispy things inside.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say that.
Crackling.
Crackling, linging.
Ling-a-ling-ing.
Ding-a-ling-a.
Is that the same thing? Like,
Yes.
okay. I think they're pretzels. I'm pretty sure.
Is she an idiot? Does Edolita not want one?
Yeah.
Oh, I
I like it.
What does it taste like?
Can I have some of yours? Cause
I don't-
bread with sugar on it.
It doesn't taste like pretzel though.
I bang them.
It tastes like biscuits.
Gee, this is something they advise to cut out to Mustafa. Try that.
You're a snack.
Really?
That's a snack.
I don't have to feel like crumbles in your mouth. Like,
You just rate it for me.
it tastes like kind of like a pastry, yeah.
A hard pastry.
Yeah, I would rate that.
You're actually a child.
a 6, like it was nice. I feel like if they were in front of me I'd have them, but I wouldn't choose to have them. I think that's everything. I'm gonna be sick now. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Wait, tell me something in Dutch to say, like how do you say goodbye?
Doei. Doei.
Doei.
Yo. Doei.
How do you say subscribe? Or subscribe?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
How do you say like?
Like.
Like.
Like and deel.
A deal? What's that?
Deel.
Deal. Deal this video.
Deal this. Lika, deal this video.
I try.
I try.
This is my favorite.
That's her favorite.
Oh.
These are my favorite. Like the caramel one. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, deal. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Do you guys want to say bye?
Bye.
Doei.